Welcome to section 11 of Basics of Human Face.
We'll break this down into simple steps. Step number one, we'll begin the sketch by drawing the outline of the face. Draw a circle, then the diameter, vertical diameter, and the horizontal diameter. From horizontal diameter, draw two parallel lines. The length of this line is explained in the previous video. It's simple. Imagine the diameter is somewhere around this. Break it into quarter and 3/4, and half of this length of 3/4 will serve as the length of the this line. Once you get there, draw a square here, and to the upper point, mark to upper point, join these 2 points. So you can notice it's looking way too flat. We'll work on it later. So once you get this basic structure, next step we have to do is add more details: the eyes, the ear, the nose, the mouth. Draw a line here. So leave 1 inch, draw another line. Draw the nose. Once you are done with the nose, start with the lip. So after you are done with the lip, put a square here and a square here. As you can see, there's a difference. I'll have to reduce the difference. This difference to, yeah, it should be equidistant from each other. Now draw the eyebrow. Draw the eyebrow on this side also. It's simple, it's a combination of a rectangle and triangle. On this line lies the eyelid, upper eyelid. Draw simultaneously when you are drawing an eye. So here you are. Draw eyeball. And as you can see, we have to proceed further by drawing the ears. We'll, uh, the forehead looks bit small, but we can manage that later. Put on some details like a. So as you can see, I have put on some. Start with the side lock if you are a beginner. So once you get this step correctly, the next part of the hair will be easy enough. So mark this point, draw a parallel curve to this curve, and yeah, there we go. So once you are there, erase the margins, erase the guidelines, erase all the guidelines which you can find. So don't erase the chin part. Erase it and drop it above. It should be just below lip. And the nose. Once you finish it, draw two parallel lines. And finish off the hair. If you are not familiar with how to draw hair, there is a separate video illustrated about how to draw hair. So we are almost done here. The cheekbones and the other fine details will add. Draw a mini U shape here. The chin bone. Since it is looking way too flat, we'll have to angle it a bit above. Erase off. Draw the neck now. And another feature about male face is the triangle begins early due to enormous number of muscles present here. Once you finish this off, draw a C shape. So I think we are done with this. What to do next? So as an artist, I would rather say keep practicing and find something which you want to draw. Figure out what you want to draw, like human face or any instruments or object or anything which will help you keep going. So please don't stop here. Keep practicing daily. Let the inner artist out of you. And I think this is the last video of this playlist. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.